네, 안녕하세요. 라춘식TV입니다.
Hi.
자, 오늘도 영상 한번 시작해보죠. 오랜만에 바빠서 오랜만에 접속했는데 한번 가보겠습니다. 로스한테 지금 청크몬이 있는데 한번 가보죠.
Can you go ask some people for me?
Okay, I can go.
예, I can go 같죠?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I can go.
I can go. I can go.
You win.
로스한테 무슨 일이 생긴 걸까요? 고민이 있나 본데요? 그린 포레스트의 나무들이
I don't see many people in the forest lately.
사람들이 없어서요.
It's strange. Hello. How are you?
I am fine.
Good. Can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
What do you think of this place?
This place?
Yes, the Green Forest.
It is a nice place.
I think so too. But not many people come here.
Do you know why?
I don't know. People just don't come to the forest anymore.
That's too bad.
Maybe I need to ask people
Ask them what?
why they don't come to the forest.
I see.
Can you go ask some people for me?
Okay, I can go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Daniel. Lily.
네, 모니카에게 가서 한번 물어보겠습니다.
Oh, hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Thanks.
Can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
Do you like green forest?
Yes, there are many fruit trees.
Fruit trees?
Yes. Orange trees, apple trees, and lemon trees.
Oh, you like fruits.
Of course I do. They are good for my skin.
So, do you go to the forest?
Oh, before. Yes.
How about now?
I don't go there anymore.
Really?
Yes. My friend says, don't go into the forest.
Why not?
Haven't you heard?
Heard what? 무슨 일이 생겨죠?
The green forest is dangerous. That's why I don't go there.
But why?
Well, I can't tell you right now. Why don't you go ask others? I'm busy.
Oh, I see. Bye. 네, 왜 dangerous 할까요?
Hello.
Hi, are you busy?
Not right now. Why?
I have a question.
Okay. What is your question about?
About green forest.
About the green forest? Oh, no.
What's wrong?
It is dangerous there
Why is it dangerous?
because of a monster.
A monster? 아하, 그렇군요.
Yes. There is a monster in the green forest. I'm scared. So I don't go there anymore.
Oh, you don't go there.
Yeah. You should be careful too.
Okay, thanks. 그랬군요. 네. 몬스터 때문이었군요. 뭐 그러면 문제는 간단해지죠. 바로 처치하면 됩니다. 네, 곰이 꿀단지 먹고 있네요. 꿀 먹고 있네요. 아주 평온한 곳이죠.
Oh, hey!
I am back.
Good. So, did you meet some people?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
And ask them about the green forest?
Of course I did.
Great. So, what did they say about it?
It is dangerous.
Dangerous? The green forest is dangerous?
That's right.
Excuse me?
That's right.
But why is it dangerous?
Because there is a monster.
A monster?
Yes, people are scared.
That's strange.
Why?
Because I have never seen a monster here.
Really? That is strange.
Well, anyway, thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. Bye. 네, 뭐 어쨌든 네, 몬스터 뭐 나중에 발견되겠죠. 자, 이제 워디하고 펑크먼 처치 한번 해보겠습니다.
Thank you so much.
이거 웰컴이겠죠?
You're welcome. What is a true friend? Do you know?
I don't know. I don't know인 줄 알았는데.
Let's go to Sunny now.
자, let's go겠죠? Let's go. 드디어 트랜스가 나왔습니다. 트랜스로 먼저 wolf비를 없애겠습니다. I can't go. I don't know. 아, 좀 억울하네요. Be careful이죠. I like that. Yes, I can. That's great이고요. Wake up. I am back. 자, 루밤으로 제거하겠습니다. Be careful. 자, 어디 한번 찾고요. 어디 있나요? 네, 링커 스쿨 캠퍼스이네요. 링커 스쿨 캠퍼스. glue, glue, glue.
Glue.
notebook, 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 notebook.
Notebook.
자, 마지막으로 타임 가디언 가면서 네, 마무리 해보겠습니다.
Look! I made a fighter robot.
Wow, this is great.
It can get bigger.
Bigger?
Yes, it can get bigger.
Then it can fight better people?
That's right. It can get bigger than an elephant.
Really?
Yes. Do you think Michael will like it?
I don't know.
Then, can you help me?
Sure, what is it?
Please go show this robot to Michael.
Okay.
Oh, before you go, take this.
What is it?
When you show the robot, press the big button.
The big button?
Yes. Then the robot will get bigger.
Okay, see you.
Oh, what is this?
A robot.
Did Philip make it?
Yes.
Then it's a fighter robot, right?
Yes, it is.
So what can it do?
It can be bigger. My God.
I beg your pardon?
It can be bigger.
Bigger? Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
That's great. But how?
Look. Wow.
Wow. Huh?
Is that all?
I think so.
Can it punch? Can it kick?
I don't know.
Oh no! It can't fight bad people. It's just big.
You're right.
I don't like this robot.
Okay. 좀 기능이 단순하긴 하죠. 네. 일단은 싸움을 위해서 뭐 위협은 강할 수 있겠지만, Hey, I am back. 네, 그 이상은 안 될 것 같네요.
Hi. Did you meet Michael?
Yes.
What did he say about the robot?
He does not like it.
What? It can get bigger.
Yes, but he cannot fight.
What do you mean?
He cannot punch.
Punch? Oh, that's right.
And he cannot kick.
Pardon?
And it cannot kick.
Kick? Yeah, he's right.
I think so too.
I really want to make a great robot. What should I do?
Well, let's think.
Maybe. Let's ask Monica.
Monica?
Yes, she is a teacher.
So?
She can give me some great ideas.
You're right.
Let's go.
Okay.
Hey, Monica.
Hello, Monica. Hello, Monica.
Hello.
I need your help.
Okay, what is it?
I made a robot, but it has a problem.
What kind of robot is it?
It is a fighter robot.
Pardon?
It is a fighter robot.
And what's the problem?
It cannot fight.
A fighter robot that can't fight. That's a problem.
Right?
Then what can I do?
Don't worry. I have an idea.
What is it?
Everyone needs friends.
So?
Change it to a friend robot.
A friend robot? A friend robot?
That's right.
How can I make that?
It needs to do something special.
Something special?
Yes, something special for friends.
Oh, I have an idea.
Really? Really?
Yes, I know how I can change it to a friend robot.
Great.
Good luck.
네, 왜 이렇게 못 알아듣죠? 저 발음이 그렇게 안 좋은지. 예. 트래블 부트 쓰고요. 예, 싸우지 못하죠? 커지기만 하고. 이 캔나 파이트고요. 네, 표현 보겠습니다. 네, chunk hiking 거고요. Words and expressions는 forest, skin, master, careful. collocations,는 fruit tree, a nice place, meet some people. 네, key expression은 it is dangerous네요. 드디어 P 나왔습니다. 네, P 요거 하고.
Great job.
네, 펜슬 나왔죠. 그 다음에 디너 쿠폰 쓰고요. 네, 유효기간 좀 없었으면 좋겠습니다. 와우! 네, 이거 한복 마음에 드네요. 네, 다 한복을 입고 네, 한번 뭐 이렇게 깔끔하게 해도 이쁘고요. 네, 저는 포니테일이 제일 이쁠 것 같아요. 마켓플레이스에서 물건 좀 팔고 마무리 짓겠습니다. 여기 상인이 없네요. 하고 팔고요. 네, 이렇게 해서 오늘 영상 마무리 짓겠습니다. 다음 시간에 뵐게요.